Hello everyone. Today we are going to review this book of Vinod Publications. Its name is Education in Contemporary India. It's a semester 1 book. It's Punjab University book of Punjabi medium, as you can check. So this book is Vinod Publications. It's a B.Ed book, bestseller, Punjab University Contemporary Indian Education of semester 1 book. So let's review this book, whether it's how good is it. So let's check. So first of all, the syllabus is mentioned in this book. Unit 1, you can check Indian Constitution and Education. The topics are mentioned, then subtopics. Then Unit 2, Indian Education System. The other topics are mentioned. Then Unit 3, Major Initiatives in Indian Education. Then Unit 4, Emerging Issues in Indian Education, and the topics are mentioned. So now we can look at the contents and we can check whether the contents cover the syllabus or not, whether everything which was there in syllabus, whether it's still there in contents also or not. Let's check. In contents, Unit 1, Indian Constitution and Education, then constitutional provisions, preamble, fundamental rights, fundamental duties. Now we can check whether it's in syllabus or not, like Indian Constitution and Education, fundamental rights, duties, preamble, constitution provision. It's absolutely there. So everything which was there in syllabus, it's totally there in contents. Not only that, every topic is explained in detail. The language also of the topics are given in both Punjabi and English, so that the students who will find it easily to read in English can read it also. Now you can see the topics are very well explained. Subtopics are also given. You can go to that particular page and read that topic easily. And then we can still the Unit 1 is continuing. Now we can go to Unit 2 and check Indian Constitution, Indian Education System, post-independence era university education. Subtopics are also given page wise. Everything is explained. Now we can check whether it's in syllabus or not. In syllabus, the Unit 2 was Indian Education System, post-independence era university education, and the subtopics are explained, then are given. So let's come to Unit 3 of contents. Major initiative in Indian education, and syllabus also major initiative in Indian education with subtopics. Unit 4, emerging issues in Indian education, contemporary Indian schools, emerging Indian education, contemporary Indian school with subtopics in syllabus as well as subtopics in contents also. So you can clearly match that syllabus, the contents cover everything which was there in syllabus. Now another thing which you have to see is whether the page numbers which are mentioned in front of the contents, this page number are actually accurate or not. For example, further particular topic will be available on this page or not, which is written. So let's check. For example, the thing Rashtriya Uchchitar Shiksha Abhiyan 194 to 196. Let's check whether it's there or not on 194 page. So if we go to 194 page, yes, Rashtriya Uchchar Shiksha Abhiyan, it's completely there. So randomly we can check one more topic, like from Unit 1st we can check any topic. Unit 1st we can check on 50 page, negative impact of the topic of impact of liberalization, privatization, globalization, negative impact of 50 page. Let's check on 50 page it's there or not, then we can move ahead and talk about another things. So on 50 page, negative impact is there. So this book is very good, cover everything in discuss in detail. The contents have everything, and not only that, pages number are mentioned, everything is discussed in detail. And in topics also, the topics are highlighted in both Punjabi and English, so that readers find it easy to understand. Whoever want to read it in that language, you can see it's in Punjabi and English also, but the topic, the matter inside it is in Punjabi, because it's a Punjabi medium book, and the backside of the book, the books are also mentioned of this same B.Ed textbooks of semester 1. You can check them out of Vinod Publications. So the best thing about this book is it has 239 pages actually, but the price of the book is just rupees 174.50 rupees. So it's a very less price book. I think it's one of the most less price book of Vinod Publications, which is amazing. This book is available on Flipkart and Amazon also. You can buy this book from online. Also, you can call them directly at 9218 219218. and buy this book. You can mail them also at vinodpublicationsindia@gmail.com. You can go to Facebook, Twitter and YouTube and check other books of this site. And if you want to buy this book offline at any store, you can buy this from any available stores nearby your location, which has Beard Books. All this book of Vinod Publications, including this one, will be available. I think Education in Contemporary India Semester 1, Punjab University, is a great book of Vinod Publication. It's a bestseller also, Beard book, and I love this book. I think 174.50 rupees is the very less price for this book. You can buy it online from Flipkart, Amazon. You can buy it online at the number directly call them, or you can buy it from any available bookstore. I think it's a highly recommendable book. I definitely recommend this book of rupees 174.50. Must buy this book.